Welcome. If you want to connect face-to-face with friends and family, making a video call with Chat on Messenger is easier than ever. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to start a video call and keep chatting, all from within the Messenger app. Whether you're catching up, working together, or just want to see a friendly face, you'll be ready in no time. First, grab your phone or tablet and open the Messenger app. The Messenger icon looks like a blue chat bubble with a lightning bolt inside. Once the app is open, you'll see your list of recent conversations. Next, tap on the chat with the person or group you want to call. If you don't see them right away, use the search bar at the top, just type in their name and tap the right conversation when it appears. This takes you inside your chat, where you can see your message history and send new messages. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a camera icon. This is the video call button. Tap the camera icon, and Messenger will instantly start calling the person or group you've selected. While the call is connecting, you'll still be able to see your chat messages, so you can type and send texts, links, or emojis even during the video call. Once the other person answers, you'll both appear on screen. You can keep chatting by typing in the message box, or just talk face-to-face. If you want to add more friends to the call, look for the plus icon and invite others to join. Messenger makes it easy to turn a one-on-one call into a group hangout. And that's it. You're now making a video call with Chat on Messenger. It's a great way to stay connected, share moments, or just say hello with a smile. Give it a try and enjoy your next conversation, wherever you are.